How to change your birthday on Instagram app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your birthday or your age on your Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Instagram, click on it, and now go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Click on setting. Now all you need to do is click on account and click on the first option, which is personal information. Wait a second, and now you have your email address, phone number, in the last option, which is birthday. All you need to do is click on it and you can change your birthday and click on the check icon up there. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.